Discover Rwanda. Safe, sustainable, and unforgettable. Content script. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. I'm excited to share something truly special with you today. A place that is often called the heart of Africa, a country full of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and unforgettable experiences. Yes, I'm talking about Rwanda. Before we dive in, I want you to imagine a country where rolling green hills stretch as far as the eye can see, where the air feels fresh and clean, and where every corner offers a story waiting to be discovered. Now, what if I told you that this country is also one of the safest in Africa, a place where you can explore freely, meet locals who greet you with warm smiles, and feel completely secure in both urban and rural areas? That country is Rwanda. Many travelers often compare destinations across Africa and beyond, asking questions like, is it safe? Can I enjoy nature responsibly? Will I experience authentic culture? When it comes to security, Rwanda stands out. Kigali, the capital city, is not only modern and vibrant, but also remarkably clean and well-organized. Unlike many other cities where tourists must stay alert, here, you can walk through streets, visit markets, and even explore remote areas without worrying about your safety. This is something that makes Rwanda unique compared to many other countries in the region. Now, let's talk about something that is increasingly important to travelers today: sustainability. Rwanda is a true global leader in protecting the environment. While some countries struggle with pollution or unmanaged tourism, Rwanda has taken bold steps to create a cleaner, greener future. The country has banned plastic bags, promoted eco-friendly initiatives, and carefully managed national parks to protect wildlife and forests. When you visit Volcanoes National Park or Nyungwe Forest, and not just go on an adventure, you're experiencing conservation action, where gorillas roam freely and the rainforest thrives, all thanks to responsible tourism policies. And speaking of wildlife, Rwanda offers experiences that are simply unmatched. Unlike countries where safaris may be crowded or wildlife sightings are uncertain, here you can trek through lush forests to see the majestic mountain gorillas, a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you won't forget. Beyond gorillas, Rwanda's parks also host elephants, zebras, and lions, all carefully protected and accessible to visitors in ways that respect nature and community. But Rwanda is more than just nature and wildlife. It's also about culture and connection. You can visit traditional villages, learn about local crafts, taste authentic Rwandan cuisine like isambi and akabenz, and witness the resilience and warmth of the Rwandan people. Compared to countries where tourism can feel commercialized, here you truly connect with the culture, the people, and the land. For relaxation and adventure lovers alike, Rwanda has it all. Imagine kayaking on Lake Kivu, hiking volcanic mountains, or walking on canopy trails in Nyungwe Forest. Whether you seek thrill, peace, or cultural immersion, Rwanda offers an experience that combines safety, sustainability, and authentic adventure, all in one country. So, to everyone watching or listening today, I want to personally invite you to consider Rwanda for your next travel adventure. Come and explore a place where nature, culture, and community meet in perfect harmony. Discover why travelers from all over the world are falling in love with Rwanda, not just for its beauty, but for its security, eco-conscious practices, and unforgettable experiences. Rwanda isn't just a destination. It's an opportunity to explore responsibly, experience freely, and create memories that will last a lifetime. I promise, once you visit, you'll understand why this incredible country is truly one of Africa's hidden gems. Hashtag for social media. Hashtag visit Rwanda, hashtag safe travel, hashtag sustainable tourism, hashtag gorilla trekking, hashtag explore Rwanda, hashtag African adventure, hashtag eco travel, hashtag Rwanda experience, hashtag travel Africa.